Spa billing software. Log in with your company credentials. Log in with your user credentials. Select your point of sale. User needs to start day before operations. In right-hand side you can see the diary with time of guest and appointment details. Let's see how the masters are created. Search for respective master. Create your rooms and assign the spa. Existing room list is shown here. Create your therapists. Select weekly off of therapist, so on off day appointment is not allowed for this therapist. Select your POS spa. From item master you can give the therapy time, so this room and therapist is booked for this particular time. You can add packages from package master. Select the POS. Add the services which is in this package. Now in transaction module you will proceed for spa appointment booking and billing. In left hand side you can see all the color LED NTS. For new appointment click on new button. For existing client search the client name. Select your client. Also if you want to create new guest then click on add client. Fill the details of client and click on save. Selecting existing guest. Select the room for the therapy. Select services. Assign the therapist and staff. Select the timing for therapy. Apply discount if any. Save the appointment. In diary you can see the guest timing with guest name and in blue color. Also you can take the virtual booking of guest for further dates without therapist and room. Against package booking select guest name from list. Select your package from add package. Select the required package. After save you can see all the services are in list. Assign therapist for this service. Give the time of therapy. You can see the appointments details and status of rooms updated in the diary. In therapist view you can see data as per therapist wise, so we can manage the timing of therapist. In list view you can the appointments details. User can update the status of the appointment by using the respective buttons. Bills can be generated from the appointment screen itself. If client requests, you can add retail products to the same bill. Select the client's payment method. Bill will be generated and printed on the attached printer. Thank you for using Sanguine.